Welcome to the Ostrich-Leather facility, the world's largest center for controlled ostrich farming, where every detail is monitored with care.
Feeding happens 3 times daily. Each ration is measured by weight and moisture. No waste, no stress, just balance.
Keep moving, slowly now. Watch the gate on the right.
Each animal is scanned for temperature and stress levels. Physical health is the foundation of our process.
The mist levels are fluctuating in enclosure gamma.
I'm adjusting the flow rate now. That should stabilize it.
Hydration is constant. Our water systems mimic natural rainfall, keeping every enclosure balanced and alive.
We design space for motion. Healthy muscles mean better growth, better quality sanity. Natural rhythm, controlled environment.
Look at the lead male, significant speed increase.
Noted. Keep tracking the vitals on channel 3.
This is where the process begins. Egg collection requires patience, calm, and constant precision, and it's all done by hand.
Incubation mimics nature, temperature, vibration, even sound. We keep every egg alive through controlled rhythm.
We monitor each embryo's growth manually. Heartbeat, shell vibration, humidity. Machines assist, but hands decide.
When hatching starts, we step back. The process is natural trellis, just supervised to ensure survival.
The first stage is delicate. Temperature and humidity must follow heartbeat. 1 degree can mean everything.
There you go, nice and slow. Good chicks.
The feather sector is all about texture and purity. Each feather is cleaned, dried, and sorted per hand, all by hand.
Every feather passes through 4 washes: cold water, enzyme rinse, heat drying, and final brushing. Precision and patience.
We judge by fiber flexibility. The perfect feather bends, never breaks. How? Natural strength, engineered by balance.
Feathers are treated only with air and heat. No chemicals, no dye. The goal is purity, nothing more.
Only 1 in 5 passes final selection. The perfect plume carries no flaw, no curve, no shadow.
Here begins refinement. Every feather is examined, straightened, and preserved kabulu. Detail defines perfection.
Consistency is everything. The smallest bend can affect texture, so we measure, steam, and adjust each piece by hand.
Each batch is graded by softness, sheen, and length. No color correction, rigor adder, only natural purity.
Once refined, every feather is packed, labeled, and sealed. Precision extends to the very end.
Every shipment carries origin, batch, and handler ID. Nothing here leaves anonymous, Riquet. Every feather tells a story.
Nothing goes to waste. Even the eggshell becomes part of the process, cleaned, crushed, and turned into something useful.
The shells are crushed slowly, not broken. Finer particles mean higher quality for the fertilizer that follows.
Clear the belt! This one is full. We mix the shell powder with organic waste from feed and bedding. The outcome good, natural calcium-rich fertilizer.
Composting is slow and warm. We let nature do the chemistry. A kid, we only guide the rhythm.
Once processed, we dry it, slow airflow, low heat, zero additives. It's efficiency without harm.
Check the lot number on this one.
Looks good.
I've updated the count.
Welcome to the Environmental Division, place where balance is everything. We maintain the air, the water, and the living rhythm of the facility.
Humidity stays between 75 and 80. It keeps feathers soft, lungs clear, and systems breathing like nature itself.
Everything leaving this hall is filtered, cleaned, and reused. Nothing escapes. Not water, not air, not energy.
Maintenance never stopped. Valves, fans, and filters work like organs. Each pulse keeps the system alive.
According to the schematic here, this valve needs to be tightened before we initiate the plasma weld.
97% of water used here returns purified. We borrow from the ecosystem. QQ, never take.
Check the input valve on tank 3. It's reading low.
All right, I'm adjusting it now. Here we begin final inspection, Flaith. Precision at its last stage. Nothing leaves without a signature, nothing moves without a mark.
Quality isn't just appearance, Prince, it's longevity. What we send lasts decades, shaped by touch, not automation.
Are these levels accurate for the new shipment?
Yes, but this one here, the count seems off.
I see it. Check the holding pen records.
Once approved, everything moves to storage. ATIS, temperature controlled, monitored, alive with precision.
This is the export division, where the journey begins. Every crate here carries weeks of human work and years of nature's patience.
Every shipment is traced in real time. Distance, temperature, humidity. Control doesn't end here, it travels.
Watch the line, pull it left.
Okay, steady now, we're almost clear.
Every step we take here is deliberate. The process ends only where the cycle renews.
Head them towards the ramp. Keep moving, don't let them stop.
Check panel 4, status red.
Confirmed, adjusting output.
Data logged, all clear.
Technology alone means nothing. It's the hands and hearts of those who work here that make balance possible.
From feathers to purpose, from movement to precision, this is not just production. It's a living cycle built with discipline and care.